To deposit a check with the Truist mobile app, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging in to your account using your username and password. If you have not already, you will need to enroll in mobile banking and download the Truist mobile app from the App Store. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main menu and select the mobile deposit option. You will then be prompted to select the account where you want to deposit the check. Choose the correct account from the list of available options. Next, you will need to enter the check amount. Make sure to enter the exact amount listed on the check, including cents. You will also need to take a picture of the front and back of the check using your mobile device's camera. Ensure the check is properly endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only." Place the check on a flat surface with a dark background to reduce glare and take a clear photo of the check. The app will guide you through the process of taking the photos and will confirm when they are acceptable. After you have taken the photos, review the deposit details to ensure everything is correct. Check the account number, check amount, and the images of the check to confirm they are clear and legible. If everything is correct, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message once the deposit has been successfully submitted. The funds will be available in your account according to Truist's mobile deposit policy. It is essential to keep the check in a safe place for a few days after the deposit, in case it is needed for verification purposes. Always ensure your mobile device is running the latest operating system and the Truist mobile app is up to date to guarantee a smooth deposit process. Additionally, be aware of any daily or monthly deposit limits that may apply to your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily deposit a check using the Truist mobile app, saving you time and providing a convenient way to manage your finances remotely.